Hi, my name is Sandra and I'm a physiotherapist at Soaring Health. So today I'm going to be talking about 3 ways you can use a foam roller at home and why you should use it. So the first thing is a foam roller is used for what's called a self-myofascial release. So it's a technique that you can do at home and it has similar benefits to getting a massage from a myotherapist or just any other licensed physiotherapist or remedial massage therapist. So 3 reasons that you would use a foam roller would be to help promote blood flow to the area either before or after a workout. This can help especially with the pain related to a workout, especially if you're doing a lot of strength training, and also helping with reducing the pain afterwards. So as you may know, when you do a really intense workout, you get that really sore muscles 2 or 3 days later. That's called delayed onset muscle soreness. So this helps reducing the pain that you feel when you have DOMS. The second reason is also it can help get you some flexibility. So it's a good way to stretch and get flexibility into the muscle, but it's not a static stretch. So static stretches are known to actually reduce performance when you're working out. So a foam roller doesn't work in the same sense as a static stretch. And the third reason is to also get into those little knots and areas of tightness especially. So we all get really tight if we're sitting heaps at home, especially if you're working from home still. I feel for you, your hips must be dying. So you can get the foam roller going, especially your thighs, the side of your thigh, up the top, your bottom, and into your hamstrings, so the back of the thigh and even the front, especially if you're sitting heaps. You can also put it behind your back as a log and lie down and stretch and go overhead with your arms to the side. Just get some mobility into your spine, especially the mid-back, which we all get tight if we're sitting like this on the computer. And then third way you can use it is also as if you're doing any Pilates exercises from home, you can use it as a way to challenge your balance and your core. Have it as a log across your spine, so long ways rather than sideways, and then you can do your exercises that way as well.